Friends, let's take a walk through the heart of Baguio City and visit one of its most iconic landmarks. The Baguio City Cathedral, also known as the Metropolitan Cathedral of the Holy Rosary, is the seat of the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Baguio. It is located in the heart of Baguio City, along Session Road. The cathedral was built in 1936 by the American colonial government. It was designed by the architect William Parsons, who also designed the nearby Session House. The cathedral is made of reinforced concrete and is in the Gothic Revival style. The cathedral has a long and rich history. It has been the site of many important events in the history of Baguio City, including the wedding of Imelda Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos in 1954. It is also a popular tourist destination and is visited by thousands of people each year. Here are some of the stories and events that have happened at the Baguio City Cathedral. In 1954, Imelda Marcos and Ferdinand Marcos were married at the cathedral. The wedding was a lavish affair, attended by many important people, including President Ramon Magsaysay. In 1986, the cathedral was the site of a mass rally in support of the EDSA revolution. The rally was attended by thousands of people who called for the resignation of President Ferdinand Marcos. In 2005, the cathedral was the site of the funeral of former President Corazon Aquino. Aquino was a popular and beloved figure in the Philippines, and her funeral was attended by thousands of people. The cathedral is also a popular place for weddings, baptisms, and other religious ceremonies. It is a beautiful and historic building that is an important part of the fabric of Baguio City. In addition to these major events, the cathedral has also been the site of many smaller, more personal stories. It is a place where people come to pray, to seek comfort, and to find peace. It is a place where people celebrate their joys and mourn their losses. The cathedral is a living, breathing part of the community, and it is a place where people come together to build relationships and to create memories. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and please leave a comments. Please don't forget to like, share it to your friends, and the important part is to subscribe. Friends, please don't escape the ads. Thank you so much for the support.